Nuclear magnetic energy stores by KayScience.com. Energy is stored in the nucleus of atoms. So as you can see here, I'm drawing an atom. In this case, it's helium, 2 protons, 2 neutrons, and 2 electrons. And there's going to be energy stored in the nucleus of the atom. And we call this the nuclear energy store of the atom. What I'm now drawing is an example of a much larger nucleus of an atom. In this case, it is uranium. So the nucleus of uranium is very large and very unstable, whereas the nucleus of a helium atom above is much smaller and much more stable. So therefore, we can say that the nucleus of uranium stores more energy than the helium nucleus. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Let's now look at objects that have a magnetic energy store. In this case, I'm going to use the most obvious example, which is a magnet. So I'm now drawing the magnetic field that surrounds the magnet itself. Where the lines are more densely drawn, that is where there is a stronger magnetic field. I've now drawn 2 magnetic iron nails. Both of them are interacting with the magnetic field of the magnet itself. Both of these iron nails that are magnetic material are going to be attracted to the magnet. This is because they have energy that a magnetic object stores when it is near a magnet or in a magnetic field. So the magnetic energy store is the energy a magnetic object stores when it is near a magnet or in a magnetic field. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Let's now compare the nuclear energy store between a helium nucleus and a uranium nucleus. So the nuclear energy store of the helium nucleus is going to be much lower in this example compared to the uranium nucleus, which, as you can see here, has a much larger nuclear energy store than the helium atom's nucleus. If you're going to use one of these atoms in a nuclear fission reactor, you're going to choose the uranium atom. This is because there is a much larger energy store within the nucleus of the uranium atom. Let's now compare the magnetic energy stores of these 2 nails in the different parts of the magnetic field of the magnet. So the iron nail to the right of the magnet is in the weaker part of the magnetic field, so it stores less magnetic energy in its magnetic energy store than the other iron nail. Whereas the iron nail directly beneath the pole of the magnet is in a region where it will be experiencing a stronger magnetic field. Therefore, there's going to be more energy in the iron nail's magnetic energy store than the other nail in the weaker part of the magnetic field. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Visit KayScience.com for more free videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.